Men and women lose legal title to their own body. In summary again, once the application for a certificate of live birth is registered, it becomes the unclaimed title of deed to real property. Since it's unclaimed, the state claims it and then creates the birth certificate as the legal title to it. Then the state sends the birth certificate to the federal government. Finally, the federal government creates a bond on the birth certificate, which is their payment slave bond to the Federal Reserve/IMF for the government's bankruptcy debt. These actions are an unwritten, unexpressed Cestui Que Vie Trust. The state is the executor, the federal government is the trustee, and the Federal Reserve/IMF is the beneficiary. The state is a constitutor responsible for paying the debt of the U.S. government to the Federal Reserve/IMF. Throughout your life, the actions you've taken, as will be outlined in the next section, have left you the man or woman with only equitable title to your own body. Exactly the same as when you registered your car with the state. The state takes legal title and the car becomes property of the state. The state then gives you equitable title to your car. Equitable title means you can use it and do not own it. Hence the reason they require you to insure their vehicle, can charge you fees, fines, and tickets for misusing their vehicle, or not following their rules of commerce on the roads. If you wish to challenge this premise, don't pay the next 5 parking tickets. You could cancel your car insurance. How about travel in it without your driver license? Don't pay the annual registration, drive 140 miles per hour on the way to Vegas, etc., and watch how fast the owner of the vehicle comes to confiscate it with armed men. It is this Cestui Que Vie Trust entity which owes all of your alleged, mathematically impossible to repay debts to government and banks. It is this entity which is subject to the tens of millions of victimless crime laws. It is this entity that is required to have permits and licenses, etc., etc.